Back with another installment of Taste Test. We're putting the world famous Aero-inspired Aerodreams Mint Choc Night Ops up against
the actual chocolate bar Aerodreams.
Well, it's not, the chocolate
Aerodreams.
No. Aero, well, you know what I mean. Mint and chocolate.
Chocolate mint.
10 out of 10. Cleanse the palate.
It's beautiful.
Made the Aero better.
It's good, isn't it?
It's pretty good. You just want to keep drinking it, don't you? Liquid choc mint. It really is. Replica. It's been inspired by Aero. It tastes exactly like Aero.
Here's me thinking it had something to do with planes.